Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best all-season performance tires that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is NITTO Ridge Grappler All-Season Radial Tire. NITTO Ridge Grappler All-Season Radial Tire is created for light trucks and sport utility vehicles that need strong performance on both streets and off-road conditions. With a size of 35 by 12.50 and rim width of 20, this tire offers grip and control across mixed surfaces. It is designed with a tread depth of 18.330 seconds and a mud-type pattern that gives added support in tough driving environments. The reinforced block base aims to lower tread movement, while the outer shape improves control when driving off paved roads. Its structure includes 12-ply rating, helping it hold strong under heavier loads and higher pressure levels up to 80 pounds per square inch. With shoulder lugs placed in staggered form, this model adds strength when moving through uneven ground. The design includes block features that break through soft areas and reduce buildup that could affect traction. Founded in the year 1949, NITTO has focused on serving specific needs in motor use. The brand has built its place around users who want purpose-driven tires for various types of rides. From active sport uses to everyday travel, the company has offered options that meet style and durability goals. Ridge Grappler tires support movement across a wide range of surfaces by combining deep grooves, block edges, and flexible rubber composition. These parts work together to guide dirt, slush, and wet road elements away while helping the driver stay in control. In our list, the number 2 product name is Atturo Trailblade MTS Light Truck Radial Tire. Atturo Trailblade MTS Mud Off-Road Radial Tire is built to support drivers who take light trucks through difficult terrain. With a section width of 285 mm and rim width of 10, this tire is made to handle tough driving environments. It holds a load capacity of 3,527 pounds and is rated with 10-ply strength. Designed for off-highway roads, this tire gives support in muddy, loose, or rough surfaces by allowing deeper grip and extra contact. The tread depth is 1930 seconds, offering more surface interaction. Built to work under pressure, it can hold up to 80 pounds per square inch. This tire weighs 66 pounds and comes with one piece in each package. Its outer pattern works without a fixed direction, so drivers can rotate them in various ways without performance loss. The build and depth design help in clearing dirt and keeping movement stable even when the track gets soft or uneven. Atturo as a company focuses on tires for trucks, trailers, sport utility vehicles, and off-road driving. The brand started by offering options beyond common factory styles and has since grown into producing tires for different use cases including winter and high-output models. Its products, such as Trailblade XT and Trailblade Boss, are made for people who go beyond normal routes and want dependable support in rough settings. This tire is ideal for drivers who need reliable grip where paved roads end. In our list, the number 3 product name is Nexen Roadian Pro All-Season Radial Tire. Nexen Roadian All-Terrain Pro Raw 8 All-Season Radial Tire is made for drivers who use light trucks or sport utility vehicles across different road types. With a section width of 275 mm and a rim width of 8, it carries a load capacity of 3,418 pounds. The tread depth measures 1630 seconds, and the symmetrical tread design helps provide balanced performance on various surfaces. This tire can handle up to 80 pounds per square inch of pressure and is rated with 10-ply strength. Each package includes one tire with an item weight around 51.5 pounds. The tire is suitable for mixed road use including paved routes, dirt paths, and light snowy conditions. Nexen as a brand brings over 75 years of experience in tire making. The company has expanded globally and continues to offer trusted products developed with advanced technology. Known for introducing Korea's first V-shaped directional tires and other innovations, Nexen combines safety with consistent grip. Roadian All-Terrain Pro Raw 8 is part of a lineup that focuses on reliable handling and protection from surface damage. Microgrooves in the tread support contact even in mild icy or rainy settings. The tire's shoulder block enhances edge strength, which may help during uneven turns or when switching from road to trail. Nexen adds extra confidence with coverage options that include support for damage caused during regular driving. The tire works for those who need dependable movement in changing travel conditions. In our list, the number 4 product name is BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO2 Radial Car Tire. BFGoodrich All-Terrain Taco 2 Radial Car Tire is made for light trucks, sport utility vehicles, and crossovers that face various driving surfaces. With a section width of 265 mm and a rim width of 8.5, this tire supports a load capacity of 3,195 pounds. The tread depth measures 1530 seconds, and the non-directional tread helps maintain control on rough and smooth roads. This 10-ply rated tire can handle up to 80 pounds per square inch of pressure and is built to offer grip during changing weather. Designed for 4x4 vehicles, the tire also fits pickup trucks and sport utility vehicles that travel in sand, mud, snow, and uneven ground. Its balanced shape spreads driving stress more evenly, helping improve its lifespan and maintaining better wear patterns over time. BFGoodrich has used sidewall construction that resists punctures and protects from rocks or sharp objects. The tread includes interlocking blocks that support grip and control when the road gets unpredictable. This model meets the 3-peak mountain snowflake standard, which is suited for light snow and cold weather travel. With experience and technology combined, this tire is structured to give reliable movement on highways and off-road paths. From daily use to occasional off-trail activity, the tire is made for all-around use across multiple seasons. BFGoodrich's focus on performance and safety is part of what makes this option suitable for drivers with active and mixed route needs. In our list, the number 5 product name is Cooper Discoverer AT3 XLT All-Season. Cooper Discoverer at 3 XLT All-Season LT 275/70R 18/125 122S tire is developed for vehicles that require both on-road comfort and off-road ability. With a section width of 275 mm and rim width of 8, this 10-ply tire can carry loads up to 3,640 pounds, supporting large pickup trucks and off-road focused vehicles. The non-directional tread measures 1630 seconds in depth and is crafted to provide balanced control across different surfaces and conditions. Built for all seasons, the structure helps vehicles manage different terrains, including rocky or muddy ground. High load durability makes it reliable for work applications while still maintaining ride comfort during daily travel. The tread compound used in this model is engineered to reduce cutting and resist chipping, allowing the tire to function longer under rough use. The strong shoulders assist when climbing over stones or through soft ground while minimizing abrasion risk. This tire supports high pressure up to 80 pounds per square inch, suitable for tough driving demands. Cooper has designed this model to give trucks and utility vehicles dependable grip without losing road comfort. Whether transporting heavy loads or moving through unpaved locations, this tire stays firm against dirt and uneven surfaces. It brings a combination of strength and balance that fits those who use their vehicle for both personal and professional purposes across changing environments. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.